tobacco addiction free campaign. Every factory, company, cooperative owner wants his staff not to consume tobacco in his company. If you force the labor to quit them, according to psychology, any addict cannot quit the habit that easy. If he tries to quit himself, then he will suffer from restlessness, laziness, excessive feeling of mind in work, yawning, watery eyes, and get that addiction again 2 or 4 days. As a result, if you force your labor for de-addiction, the speed of his work will decrease, his mind will be there, and your work deteriorates. As a result, rejection will increase. Om Pan Masala powder is 100% herbal powder, and the addict will not be addicted for 25 days or 1 month. Addiction can be easily given up in that period of time. So you too can do a 30-minute seminar on Om Pan Masala powder in your factory or company to motivate your worker staff to give up tobacco addiction and to quit the addiction and keep your factory clean from plastic pollution and dirt caused by tobacco addiction. To fulfill the dream of Swachh Rashtra, Clean Nation by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, take a step forward and contribute your spot in building a healthy nation. Contact for free seminar 79843 68856.